Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue if you're not receiving the BOTIM verification code on your phone. Let's get started. First, make sure the BOTIM app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for BOTIM, and check if there's an update button. If you see update, tap it and let the app update to the latest version. Once the update is complete, turn on airplane mode for about 5 seconds, then turn it back off. This helps refresh your network connection. Next, open your phone settings, go to Apps, and find BOTIM from the list. Tap on it, then go to Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. After that, go back and tap Force Stop, then reopen the BOTIM app and try requesting the verification code again. If the code is still not coming, uninstall the BOTIM app, restart your phone, then reinstall the app from the Play Store. Log in again and request the verification code. If the issue continues, it could be a temporary server issue. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again. That's it. These steps should help fix the BOTIM verification code not received issue on Android. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful fixes.